Easy and delicious food, Masoor. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious and light dish Masoor. First we washed and soaked Masoor. Pour it in cooker and add water. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chili. Add salt and turmeric. Close the cooker and leave 10 minutes. Add red chili powder and turmeric and salt. Cooked well. Now we prepare tadka for Masoor. Add oil in pan and ginger garlic paste. Add red chili and curry leaves. Add in it. Add homemade spice. Ready for eat delicious Masoor. Ready in few minutes and enjoy with roti or rice. Delicious and tasty Masoor. Thanks for watching.